What up, free bosses? In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a click-to-call Facebook ad. So what this means is that the call to action button on this Facebook ad is going to actually call a number. So this is going to be a good call to action if you're trying to get people on the phone to sell and close them down. This could be a retargeting type of ad where you're targeting a small custom audience just to get those people to call you so that you can close them down. This could be a local business. If the local business is really trying to get leads by calling up the actual number, then this is going to be a great ad for you to run. So first, what you do is you create a reach campaign. Now, the weird thing about Facebook is that the different campaign objectives offer different buttons on the actual ad level. So you go into your your create of the actual campaign, you hit reach, and we're just going to call it reach. And you select your page. I'm just going to name it random stuff for the purposes of this video. So we got reach, and your targeting is going to be whatever you really want it to. Really, how you set up the click to call is going to be on the actual ad level. So I'm not going to really talk too much about the ad set type of stuff. So I'm going to click through to the actual ad level, hit edit, and then when you go to, I guess we got to create an ad. So let's add a website URL. The image can stay that's fine. But right here is where you want to look. So under the button, you go to call now, and then you put in the phone number that you want people to call. So I'm not going to put in my phone number, but we'll just make it 999-8473, whatever the number is. You get the picture. So it's pretty much that simple. You just have to use the reach campaign. Then down on the ad level, you can select the button that is call now. And then you put in all of your, I don't really know how, let's actually build this ad real quick because I don't know why they would still have your website URL there, because if they click the button, it's going to go ahead and call that. So let's just put in any address. We'll just put in my website where you can actually go to opt in for my free course and you can learn a whole ton of different stuff. If you go to freebosslifestyle.com, jump into the free course, and you can learn a lot about ClickFunnels, Facebook ads, and copywriting. So we're just going to make that our ad copy because I want to see invalid phone number. Ah, wow. Well, I'm not going to put in a real number. Let's just put in a real. Okay, that's clearly not my phone number, so don't call this number. But let's see how this looks. So it's going to look something like that on mobile, right? Now, obviously, you can't have that much text. You got to abide by the 20% text rule, but this will do the trick. So again, it has to be the reach objective, and I would recommend doing this to smaller audiences. You don't want to target a million size audience with people calling you. I would say use this for your custom audiences after people have went deep in your funnel, watched a lot of your videos, like a large percentage of your videos, visited your landing page, all that kind of stuff. Then you can hit them with this call now button and get them on the phone, and then you can hopefully try to close them down. An alternative to this is where you make your button and your actual call to action being that they schedule a time in your calendar. That may be a little bit easier for you instead of just getting all these random calls and having to answer on the spot. But if you have a call answering service or somebody that's dedicated to, answering all the calls that come in, then that's a good option for you. But getting people on the phone is going to be the best way to really close them down and try to educate them on your product, especially if it's a large ticket type of product, and especially if this is a warm audience that has already seen a lot of pieces of your content, a lot of videos, knows what you're selling, and really just that last little push over the edge to them becoming a customer is that whole call now, getting them on the phone type of thing. So hopefully this video was helpful, and if you haven't yet done so, go to freebosslifestyle.com, opt in for my free mini course where you're going to learn a whole lot of more stuff related to Facebook ads, ClickFunnels, copywriting, all types of online digital marketing stuff. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.